If you're looking to deliver a live course with replays automatically uploaded, this video will show you how to do it seamlessly with just a few simple steps. Imagine being able to host a live session and the replay is automatically available for your students. No extra effort needed. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up so you can focus more on teaching and less on manual work. First things first, let's talk about why this is such a time saver. Live courses are great for engagement, but manually uploading replays can take a lot of your time. If you can set it up to happen automatically, you can spend that time focusing on growing your course or creating more content. Sounds great, right? The software we'll be using today handles this process effortlessly. It integrates with your live course platform and handles everything from recording the session to uploading it for your students. This software makes it as simple as clicking a button. Now, to get started, the first step is connecting your live course platform with the software. Most platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Webinar Jam support this integration. You'll need to head to the settings and find the integration section. From there, just connect your live course tool and you're good to go. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes to set up. Once the connection is made, the software automatically captures your live course when you start your session. You don't need to do anything extra. No more worrying about manually starting and stopping recordings. It all happens in the background. After the course is finished, the replay is automatically uploaded to the platform where your students can access it. What's even better is that you can schedule the replay to be available instantly or at a specific time, depending on your preferences. This allows you to keep your content organized and provide your students with a consistent learning experience. No more waiting for the replay to be uploaded manually. It's done automatically and ready when you need it. Now, I've tested a few popular tools that claim to do this, but the software we're using today is by far the easiest and most reliable. Plus, I've got something special for you. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software just for viewers of my channel. You can find the link in the description below. The key takeaway here is that automating the replay upload for your live courses will save you a ton of time. By simply connecting your live course platform to this software, your replays will be automatically uploaded, making it easier for you to manage your courses and provide a better experience for your students. To recap, first, connect your live course platform with the software, then let the software automatically record and upload the replay. No more manual uploading or waiting around. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to try this out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.